Nice. Here. Nice. Let's see here. Relax na. Good. 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 Woo. That's good. I'll check na. Right positioning kasi wala namang tightness and significance with your muscles. A little. Tight. Traction tayo. Bite your teeth. Yan. Sige, kagat yung teeth ha para hindi makagat ang dila. Ready? Inhale sa ilong. Exhale sa ilong. Stretch a bit and bouncing. That's nice. Okay?